would like to take this opportunity to address the world, especially the people of Southern Philippines, the Bangsamoro people. If it would be better if I speak with their language, then I will do, for the world's sake. I will begin with their global greetings, the Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Niapaganayan siya na papatsabutan ko kanurangon as kanua magingad na Bangsamoro. Isugatan tanu su kapok rabi dan su mga Maguindanaon. Asubra dan su kangapok nin. Kaapyamod tu na dapon makambabangon. Pagkupakupo na nan anakapamalungpon. Napanuni manggula no mamba kangapok no. Nya usto napamantyali kanu kadu kaugoyag. Di no padsaligi ipotpis atawa ayuda. Ambago kanu dan. Jaling kanupan kaduno makwasukahan dano. I hope it's a clear message for the Bangsamoro people. Thank you very much. This is your President Donald Trump.